Let's take a look at a question that you might find on a private pilot FAA knowledge exam. This question says to refer to figure 23, which we'll take a look at in a minute. What is the estimated time en route for a flight from St. Mary's Airport Area 4 to Priest River Airport Area 1? The wind is from 300 at 14 knots and the true airspeed is 90 knots. Add 3 minutes for climb out. Here's figure 23, and you can see St. Mary's Airport located at the bottom of the figure near Area 4. Priest River Airport is in the upper left corner near Area 1. Winds are 300 degrees at 14 knots. Use a plotter to determine your true course by plotting a line on the chart between St. Mary's Airport and Priest River Airport. True course is determined to be 345 degrees. Next, measure between St. Mary's Airport and Priest River Airport to determine a distance of 53 nautical miles. By combining the given information in the question with your findings on the chart, you can now use the E6-B flight computer to determine your time en route. The wind side of the flight computer will help you determine your ground speed. Instructions for this are conveniently located at the top of the slide. First, set the wind direction of 300 degrees under the true index. Next, plot a wind mark on the E6-B to represent the 14-knot headwind. To do this, slide the rule as necessary, placing the hole in the center of the dial over the 100-knot airspeed arc. This is an arbitrary point from which to start your reading. Measure up 14 knots from the center and lightly mark it with a pencil. Now, turn the dial to set your true course of 345 degrees under the true index pointer. Move the slide until the wind velocity mark you made with your pencil is aligned with your true airspeed of 90 knots. You can then read your ground speed beneath the center, approximately 79.5 knots. Now that you know your ground speed of 79.5 knots and your distance of 53 nautical miles, you can perform a simple time, rate, and distance calculation using the slide rule side of the E6-B. Set the rate arrow to 79.5 knots per hour on the outer scale. Find your distance of 53 nautical miles on the outer scale, and then look inward to the time scale. At a rate of 79.5 knots per hour, a 53 nautical mile trip can be made in 40 minutes. One more step and we can arrive at our final solution. Remember the additional time for climb out mentioned in the original question? Add that to your 40 minutes en route to arrive at a final solution of 43 minutes.